Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to use Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the eye icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down to Privacy and Support. Select Disappearing Messages. Tap on Continue. Select 24 hours. Now you can return back to your chat. Now you have successfully turned on Vanish mode on your Facebook Messenger. Now both you and your friend can have secret conversation on Facebook Messenger. These messages will disappear after 24 hours. If anybody in the chat takes screenshot, both of you will be notified. If you want to turn off Vanish mode on your Facebook Messenger, simply tap on the eye icon at the top right of your screen once again. Scroll down and select Disappearing Messages. Tap on Off. And that's it. This is how you use Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.